You did it. What?
I don't like it.
You don't like what? Be careful, it's gonna spill out. No, don't. You're getting my camera wet. Okay, back up if you're gonna do that. You got my camera all wet. Wipe it on your shirt. That's not funny, Penny. Okay. Stinker. I'm serious. Back up with yours, please. It gets really wet, and I don't want it to spray the camera. Thank you.
Michael TV, wax, Penny. I said Michael, everybody wants to be ya.
Okay, I will now.
Send them down to.
Let him blow bubbles.
Baby, don't block it.